2005 celebrates 15 years of PVCU profile extrusion from Synseal. It also sees the launch of our fourth window suite, the 70mm Synergy system. The most significant change with the Synergy suite is that it uses a single leg bead, or as we call it, a J bead. This one bead glazes the entire suite. Not only does this bead operate with a simple knock-in operation, dramatically cutting down on installation time, but the unique sculpture design matches perfectly to that of the upstand on the profile, providing one of the most visually striking benefits: balance. Synergy is perfectly balanced from every aspect. No more do the sightlines of your windows have to be mixed by compromising different bead shapes with profile shapes. In fact, the profiles are so perfectly balanced that there is absolutely no requirement for the traditional Z sash. Whilst Synergy has been designed primarily for the internally beaded market, this perfect balance enables the fabricator to fit an internally beaded T-sash into an externally beaded window frame. The sightlines are identical either way. This single casement sash features a centrally located full-depth Eurogroove. This enables you to choose freely which hardware specification you wish to use without the restriction of having to use locking mechanisms that only fit into half-depth Eurogrooves. The sash case depth comfortably houses a 22mm backset Espagnolette system. This moves the window handle comfortably away from the transom without having to use cranked window handles. The central location of the sash Eurogroove gives a positive and consistent location during operation. Both window and door sash profiles provide a constant 8mm cover to the frame, providing ample protection from the elements. Because the shape of the bead coordinates perfectly with the profile upstand, the height is also identical. When looking straight at a Synergy window, you will not encounter the step of many other systems where the bead or upstand is set at a different height. This uniformity also provides an identical flat face height on all three out-of-frame sections. The benefit to this is plain to see for anyone familiar with the internally beaded window. Because the flat is identical in size on both sides, when the profile is turned around during the reverse butt process, you now produce an equal-sided V-weld. Internally beaded windows no longer have to have odd sightlines where they have been re-welded together. In fact, the simple, consistent design of the Synergy suite means that the entire system can be welded with the same set of welding blocks, whether sash, frame, window, tilt and turn, or door, one set of blocks, any welder, any profile. When it comes to cleaning the Synergy joints, the positive step at both the top and the bottom of the Synergy sculpture creates a positive datum point for the cleaning process to start and finish. Whether cleaning by hand or by CNC equipment, Synergy has been designed to help make this process easier, and by making it easier, a more consistent finish can be achieved. Synergy leaves no questions asked with respect to ability. From launch, it incorporates 3 outer-frame sections, 3 transom sections, a tilt and turn sash, even 2 odd leg profiles. Because the entire suite uses the same frame extension detail as our shield profile system, Synergy immediately takes advantage of a complete range of ancillary profiles and the hugely successful 70mm inline sliding patio door system, available directly from Synseal in convenient height and width kit format. Not only will these products coordinate perfectly in color and finish, but most importantly, Synergy benefits heavily from our experience in the conservatory market. The Synergy trim pack incorporates an internal eaves beam cladding system, a rafter bottom cap, and even a ridge bottom cap marrying up this fabulous sculptured detail. Conservatories are a critical element in your window market today, yet window systems are still created without any consideration for the conservatory solution. The visual and cohesive impact of a conservatory coordinating perfectly in color, sculpture, and low gasket line, Synergy Conservatory is truly inspiring. Due to the same frame extension details being matching that of the shield system, Synergy inherits the unique and patented turnbuckle system. The turnbuckle operation means that eaves beams do not have to be screwed through onto window frames anymore. They simply knit the conservatory roof onto the conservatory walls with a simple internal lever location. This is a serious conservatory solution for those who want to be serious about conservatories. Of course, this low gasket sightline features throughout the Synergy window and door suite, as it is entirely pre-gasketed on the extrusion line. The unique shape of the Synergy pre-gasket could be described as neither a bubble nor a flipper, as it acquires the best of both products. It maintains fin effect of the flipper for weather fastness, whilst the shape integrity of the bubble by incorporating the extra support leg. Because the profile upstand and the bead are identical, and the fact that this suite has not been compromised by using non-28mm glazing options, the 28mm sealed unit sits perfectly in the middle of the profile section. This equality and centralization epitomizes the benefits of the Synergy window and door suite, removing complications with simple design concepts.